In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated LinkedIn scraping workflow with Apify and Google Sheets, complete with progress tracking and email notifications. We'll start by setting up a simple input that powers the entire workflow. In Google Sheets, prepare a column containing either LinkedIn profile URLs or search keywords. The Google Sheets node reads this list and becomes your single source of truth, so you can add, remove, or update targets without touching the rest of the workflow. Next, we'll schedule controlled runs so you don't overload services or hit rate limits. A split in batches node takes the incoming list and breaks it into smaller chunks. This keeps your operations smooth, especially if you're working at scale or running the workflow continuously. Before scraping, we'll clean and normalize the input. A code node formats each item into a proper LinkedIn search or profile URL. This step ensures consistency, keywords become valid search links, and raw URLs are standardized, so the scraper receives exactly what it expects. Now it's time to execute the Apify LinkedIn scraper. Using your API key, the workflow sends requests to Apify to collect profiles, posts, and useful metadata like author names, titles, post dates, and text content. To kick off the run, an HTTP request node triggers the scraper actor. Then, a run scraper actor step polls Apify until the data is ready, so you never move forward with partial results. Once the run completes, the workflow fetches the output as JSON objects. This gives you structured data that's easy to inspect, filter, or transform. Immediately after, the data is appended to Google Sheets. You'll capture columns such as URL, title, text, author, and post date, and you can expand the sheet with any additional fields you care about. To keep tabs on progress, a tracker updates a running count of how many items have been scraped so far. This is helpful for long-running or scheduled jobs, and it provides quick visibility without digging into logs. A brief wait is added after each batch to keep the process steady and respectful of rate limits. When everything finishes, the Gmail node sends a success summary to your inbox so you know the run completed. This workflow supports multiple batches, works best with a Google Sheets service account and a valid Apify LinkedIn API key, and lets you filter or reformat data automatically in Sheets. As always, handle credentials securely and follow platform terms and applicable policies while scraping.